Hey! Hey! I see you, Cam! Keep eating, boy. He can't guard you. Hey, let's go, boy. You know what time it is? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's touchdown! That's touchdown! That's touchdown! Oh yeah! We eat it! We eat it! Yeah, let's go, y'all. We straight. Let's get it. Hey, Kenneth, that's your island. Hey, Vion. They come to you right now, boy. None of that. None of that. None of that. I got tight end, y'all. I got tight end. Hey, that's a screen. That's a screen. Hey, we have them on clamps.
And second down, we're going to come back right back with you. We're going to go back in, put the extra lineman in there. They're going to take the post away from you. I'm telling you what they're going to do.
Oh! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah, boy! We eat it out here, boy! We eat it. Let's get it. There's just one guy on blocked in that counter, but other than that, there's nobody else there. Go! Their corners, they can't guard our receivers, bro. They can't.
You're going to stay out for a minute. You're going to stay in the backfield, all right? So you two in the backfield. We're going to stay with the same formation. You'll be on the wide side.
They try to shoot the deep right away.
Well, if I go outside, and that should be linebacker, right?
No, because Josh got blocked out.
Oh, okay.
That's why I took him over. I got the second.
Oh, I got you. Bro, it's too easy. It's too easy.
Hey, Hayden! Hey! Too easy, Hayden! Too easy, Hayden! Oh, no!
That's too easy, War.
And then I want DJ to go to the X.
Damn. Go. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! No! 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 Oh my God! Fuck! Bro! Are you okay? Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Bro! Who are you? Oh my God! You shook him and then ran him over? That was the deal at the end. Anthony killed him. That was the deal at the end. Anthony killed him. He broke the guy and then ran him over.
You're gonna run a post, come on. But you gotta stay on the post, all right?
Hey, Ken, I need a TV out of here right now, boy. I need a TV out of here. Let's go. I want to see something from you too, boy. Let's get it.
Who's in the wild? Not even up front.
Hey, let's keep it up, y'all. My back on safety? Yeah, all right. Hey, watch me, y'all.
That's how you finish the game, PPR. That's how you finish the game right there.
I got you. Hey, good catch, good catch.
Thank you. Yo, that was a fucking shit.